Hello, it is Mike Levin on Friday, June 3rd, 2022. And I am here uploading my 3 videos from just this morning, my little latest run over to the storage facility. And it occurs to me that my place is getting really messy in preparing for this. Not preparing, I'm in the midst of this move. I got to be out in 3, 4 weeks. And so a bunch of stuff comes to mind, really interesting and fun stuff. I'm tempted to do the talking head videos. The workday is about to start, and I'm listening back to one of my driving videos that has received some interesting comments. And I think I've underplayed many of my videos. And when I talk about releasing potential, it might just be going back and listening to my videos and transcribing and making a better blogcast. There's my Ermilok character from Dungeons and Dragons with my kid lately. And here's an Azrael comic I pulled out because I talk about this character a lot with the fugue states and doing the poetry popping into your mind when you need it. So I have, lots of miscellaneous things accumulating up. And I've got these books here, which are special. They're the ones that stayed active. And these books here that are special and stayed active. And I'll probably be going through these in various talks. Oh, the singing drums, so many significant things. I try and surround myself with reminders of important and interesting things. So the latest one is, instead of doing the talking head videos, because once work begins, my work is proprietary, what I'm going to be doing is taking breaks now and then and do some packing. And this is the best thing I have right now for hooking a camera up to keep myself live streaming, life streaming, I don't know, whatever. So I can hook this to different things based on where the camera should be, but it has a GoPro thing. I actually even briefly considered using my GoPro Hero5 Black. I've got that. But the problem is its charger is some sort of strange USB that I just don't have that cable sitting around. You're supposed to use the provided cable, and I can't find my provided cable, and it's a strange one in there. Some form of USB-C probably, but it's like one of those small weird ones. So I can't use my Hero5 Pro Black easily or readily, and even if I could, it's a pain to get the upload occurring. So what I have here is just a couple of hair ties, and I figured I'd demonstrate one of my little chicken and egg problem. Until I have this, I can't hold the camera, right? So I'm going to try and do this one-handed. You'll probably get a good laugh out of it. Here's a really great flashlight I got. I forget exactly the number of lumens, but it's a fabulous number of units of brightness for the price camera. I mean, for the price flashlight that it is. And there's 3 clicks. Each click is a different brightness. And of course, you can adjust the dispersion of the beam. And I use that over at the storage facility to turn night into day, so I can work into the night there. So I unplug my iPhone. I'll put it on my beat up work jeans. Yeah, so what? Go judge someone else. If you're tuning in for me, you're tuning in for rough edges. And these are the rough edges of my life. So this will be just probably a little crisscross thing. Crisscross, right? Because as long as it just doesn't block the camera. How do I hold this while I do that last crisscrossing? Under the armpit? No, I don't know. Oh, the camera. Speaking of which, I just put this on the edge of the table so that the camera isn't covered. And now I can actually do this the way I had envisioned it. Crisscrossing is better. If you can create that X pattern, it's better than not creating the X pattern. See if I can do that without struggle. Little struggle. It's always a little struggle. What is life without a little struggle? So I kind of envision this as doing a little crisscross X pattern here. There we go. I guess we got to use the shape of this box to sort of guide it a bit. See all my cables on the floors. I struggle to find cables even for this job. Oh, turn the camera on. Well, we don't need that right now. Oops. Okay, well, there we go. I turned it off. So now I've got a mountable iPhone from the Hero Pro, right? And I don't know, I'll use like the doorknob as an example. You need to mount it to do a little live casting, and just almost go find anything that this will hold to well. Put it over the doorknob. It's going to hang down like that, but these cables are quite flexible. Oh, problem, because when I turn that, it's just going to loop it differently. So we'll try. What should we try? Coat rack. Good grip on the coat rack. Not bad, not bad. And so for a little live streaming, and I could probably do this as live. I haven't thought of that before, but you aim it at yourself and you go to video. It changes the zoom level on iPhone for some strange reason. On Android camera app, I notice it doesn't do that, but you know, I can just start recording. Those X's across the screen are going to have absolutely no interference with what I shoot. And so there you have it. Inside of 7 minutes, I rigged up a way to use the camera to keep myself going as I partially pack on my breaks. Well, you know, I do work, I stop, I pack a box, and then I get on with life. Thanks for joining me. Hope to live stream to you real soon. And don't forget to subscribe and enjoy some video feedback.